anything new, it is very tough. First you have to set the concept. So actually, education is the prestigious schools exhibition we have. First, I have 4 years back, I have to set the concept. How can we present an organized platform for school education instead of asking with your neighbors or your friends who don't have any knowledge. It is just like आप रोड पे जा रहे हैं, वहाँ पे आपने रास्ता पूछा, उसको रास्ता नहीं पता, फिर भी उसने रास्ता बता दिया आपको. So it is like that, getting information from the person who is not trained enough. So this is an organized platform where best of the best schools. I would really like to thank the schools who have come forward to be a partner in this venture. Whitty International School, Cambridge International School, Kodaikanal International School, and Nahar International School. Nahar International School, last time they just took one small stall, but they got good results. They appreciated the platform. Now they have come as a sponsor. So I really want to thank all my sponsors. Savita ji has been so kind, because without your support, we could not conduct this exhibition. There are smaller schools also who cannot afford that amount of rentals.
When we started the schools in 1988, we started with this intention that we need to have a scientific mind built in the kids, an inquiry-based mind, but at the same time not forget the roots. And teachers who are learners rather than teachers, and the teachers and the students learn together in a Gurukul format, there the relationship and bonding is formed.
That in today's schooling sector, when we look at our students and when we look at parents, we do understand they are so confused. But we also understand they are confused about boards, and they are bothered about boards and choosing boards, forgetting that education is not about boards. Education is all about values. Education is all about giving a purpose to a life. Education is all about raising generations. A generation would make a difference to the world.
Behind Whitty International School. They started with one flag, then they purchased third flag of that society, then fourth, then fifth, then sixth, then seventh, and then entire building. And every class was a different flags of different color, different architecture. So that's how they started. And what happened here? He had to purchase the land. Vinay, I have to purchase the land, and then he gave notice. Either there were two options. Either he go for loan from friends or banks, or from the parents. So he issued a letter to the parents. I am creating a new school. I give you five-star school. Will you contribute? The budget they were asking for 2 crores, 10 crores was collected from the parents. What a history!
Thank you. In fact, it's an honor to be again at the same platform with Ms. Amrita Fadnavis, because just early this year, my husband, Dr. Vinay Jain, was felicitated by her and at the platform. Thank you so much. We started education exactly in what all of you have said forward, that education no longer was probably what you and I see. And a thought that when Mr. Pawan mentioned about having a 5-star school, we would, as a parent, do not think in spending thousands of rupees when we go to a 5-star hotel or even to have a dinner or a lunch. But when it comes to a child's education, we think, oh my God, I have to pay 5,000 rupees a month. So where are we coming to? If we do not invest in education for a child, for the child.
To say a few words, I want to know the concept which we have of late realized in 3-4 years, that it is time to educate parents rather than educating kids. The parents, they want to be on the mobile, they want to be on the laptop, they want their kids to study. How is it possible? So our tagline is also educate yourself to educate your child. Thank you so much. I want your words.
A very good evening to Pawan Shankar, Mrs. Reina Jain, Savita Venkat, Mrs. Vandana Arora, Alika Khosla ji, other dignitaries on and off the dais. This is the second time I am coming for an exhibition by Sri Pawan Shankar ji, and last time it was in Nagpur for children, for college students, a career forum for them. And this time it is an exhibition, a platform for various schools and for various parents to know what exactly they want from the schools. In fact, if this exhibition was held or happened a decade back, then it would have been strange because earlier, a decade back, parents used to just find a school in the vicinity, a reputed school in the vicinity, which would give good board results. But now, we have so many boards to choose from. So it's a Herculean task. And more than that, you have to choose on so many other things. Curriculum, extracurricular activities, teacher-student ratios, infrastructure, finances, and so many more things like whether they want to go for boarding for their children, and so many other decisions which are very crucial. And I've been through all of it when we shifted to Mumbai and decided on a school. So, and moreover, I believe that I've read it somewhere that every child learns, but which way and which way he learns, it has to be left to his caliber and his understanding. And when we have to leave this to him, we have to really look into various other techniques of learning, of education, which we can invent or give him a chance to find himself through. So, like we say, that successful people do not do different things. They do things differently. Similarly, these children have to be given an opportunity to do things differently by learning different methods, whatever suits them the best. Just now, sir said personality over percentage. I was really impressed by that, and that is the way each school has its own motto, its own philosophy, and we have to study sitting with these stalwarts of education, with these pioneers of education as to what suits our kid the best. In fact, Shankarji just told me that there is an innovative technique in which fingerprint you come to know what suits your child the best or what is his attitude towards. So I would also like to check, although I'm not a child.
I also did it.
You keep on changing your profession, sir. And lastly, I would like to say that yes, a school is a building with walls, but it has tomorrow inside it. So we have to really seriously look into the aspect of taking our children to the right Gurukul, to the right place, this place where the child is going to spend his major important time of life, which is his second home. So, and inculcate various values in him, various values which will help him to be independent, more innovative, and to be himself. So thank you, sir, for giving everyone this platform, to the schools and also to the parents, because they can now directly discuss with the schools, plus you have these various sections which will really help them out. So please keep on doing this great work for facilitating these people into the best of options. Thank you.
Thank you so much. I would request Vice President, please come, and felicitate my Savita Venkati. She's a calligraphy expert. She has authored a book, Calligraphy Made Easy, and she's been part of education of the last year. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. Providing organized platform for school education to the parents of entire India. So that is one line why Prestigious Schools Exhibition was incorporated under the banner of Educationista. Instead of informal information, uninformed information, so we are making it from uninformed to informed decision. If the parent is aware about all facets of school education, he'll take the right education for their child. And 16 years is the lifespan of a child education. And these are the formative years, and these years decide what the person will be in life in general format. Exceptions can always be there and you can become anything. But right schooling, educating parents so that they take the right decision for their child is the motto of the exhibition. Organized platform for school education.
What do you say about that today's educational scenario? Especially when I think so. Education, quality education is right of every citizen, every child. But if you see here also the different stalls, you'll find a range of fees which can go along with your pocket. And these are good schools which will definitely give you quality education. Definitely, education is going costlier day by day. But then, if we try to monitor or if we try to keep up to the standards of the basic education levels which are recommended internationally, I think so everyone will get to a level which will help them further grow by themselves of their own willpowers. Cities may you have highly equipped private schools, but in villages or tribal areas you just have those ashram shalas or municipal schools or tribal schools. So here there is lot of dearth of good infrastructure, I would agree, lot of dearth of quality education, and for this what we as citizen can do, naturally the government is doing. But like I have some NGOs which I know, some NGOs are training the teachers. These teachers are getting equipped in a better manner who are on the roles of these municipal corporations or tribal departments. Secondly, through CSR what we can do is we can improve the internal infrastructure of the schools. Thirdly, I was just discussing with sir, we can inculcate in these students a feeling that I am a hero. This feeling which is lacking in them, this confidence, to inculcate that we can get together and do that, because naturally in tribal areas we do not have private schools, they would not get any profits, so they would not go there. But improving the quality of these schools only, the government schools which are there, is the only way, and for that public participation is very important.
इंजीनियरिंग स्टूडेंट जब इंजीनियरिंग लैंड अप समवेयर एल्स बहुत से कंपनी लोगों को देख रहे हैं ये फील्ड में राइट अप वो डिग्री लेते हैं देयर इज समथिंग एल्स वो इस आने के लिए माइंडसेट के अंदर हु इज गुड इनटू वॉर आई थिंक यू मस्ट एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ दिस व्हाट एग्जैक्टली डू यू फील हमारे जो सिस्टम है
That's what he is doing. That's what he is doing now.
That's what the purpose of the education is. We can identify the talent when the kid is 1 year old, because this is scientific, it cannot go wrong. Astrology can go wrong, but scientific judgments, like they'll get to know the guy will be a good speaker, the guy will be a good painter, the guy has fine motor skills, he'll be good in driving. So all that personalities can be identified, and which we can do for tribal guys, because fingerprint everyone has, whether it is studying international school or tribal or rural areas. So you can identify the talents, and we can ask the private bodies to adopt those kids and make the stars from there. So we'll work it out. We were just discussing that everyone has to set standard. One person has to set standard. Let's see what we can do for Maharashtra schools. I'm talking about government schools in tribal areas or in rural areas, and let's see if we can create something new and create a new India for and all of us.
what do you message actually to the viewers related to education message
Your school education message for the viewers.
I would just like to say that every kid is a star. You have to recognize his talent, and with this recognition, a parent can be the best guide to guide the child in the initial primitive years. So that will help the child to land at the right place, and then there are these nurturers who will definitely take care. But initial choice, it has to be the parent's choice, and for that you really have to study into it, into your child, into the existing conditions, into the opportunities available, everything, and then take a wise decision.
one last question is lots of social causes for something related education को ऐसा कोई वीडियो album या anything you have anything in plan, because that's a medium where it reaches the masses.
I've done a few songs on girl child and women empowerment. For children, I haven't, but I would really look into it.
And my last question, you said you come twice for this exhibition, once in Nagpur and once in Mumbai. What do you feel different about it?
Shankarji has very nicely catered to different kind of requirements. In Nagpur, it was for the children, for the young students who have just passed on their 11th and 12th class, and they are confused about their immediate careers. And here, this is about parents and children. And parents have to take an active decision into this after meeting the various authorities, knowing their philosophies, mottos, and deciding what kind of child they want to see in future, or what kind of opportunities they want to find for their children in future.
Thank you everyone, and thank you Amrita Phadvanis ji. As I mentioned, she is one of the true citizens in a government without being in a government. You are part of the government, but you are not part of the government, and still you are doing what every Indian or every individual or citizen of India should do: work towards society till your last breath. I think I was highly mesmerized and impressed with your speech in Nagpur as well. You were fantastic, and the kind of so this is a personality with a mind, with a brain. So Amrita Phadvanis ji, I would really like to thank you for your presence, and your presence has really given a boost for another 4 years of taking this venture forward.
Sir, one last question from my side. वो चीज़ आपको छू जाती है, wherever you go, you do lot of projects. घर जाकर फिर उस बात पे डिस्कस होता है, और या कभी ऐसे कुछ होता है, ये चीज़ करनी है.
I take a lot of matters home, and especially social issues or concerns which really boomerang me. So I take it to my place, and thankfully I am in a position where I can make a difference, and I try to make a difference using my influence.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
One picture with the director if you can.
Yes.
other battery yeah, you have to tell that, huh? 9967 699 769.
So why we take this scan is just because why only the brains
Thank you.